Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and these adorable farmhouse pillow covers make the perfect throw pillow. This pack of 2 linen and burlap pillowcases from Phantoscope are such a good neutral choice for your home. I've been using them for quite a few years now, and they've held up really well. I really like to layer them with other patterns and colors to tie the whole room together. I really love how it looks. The burlap design around the edges is such a cute detail. It might be my favorite part. I don't know. I love the whole thing though. It's just so cute. It's really easy to put 18-inch pillows inside. It just zips right up, and that means it's super quick to swap out the inserts and clean them when you need to. It's so easy. I really love that about it. I love how the linen is so clean looking. It just looks so nice and fresh, layered with a cozy blanket, with other pillows on your couch around the house. I love it. It's so cute. If you're like me and you love neutral decor and love mixing it up, this is the perfect pillow cover for you. These pillow covers are the best, and that's my point of view.